30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 12. In breakfast. 1/2 cup flax oatmeal butter pecan hot cereal. 1/4 cup serving of fresh cantaloupe. 1 large glass of cold water. Total net carbs, 5.3 grams per serving. In lunch. Spicy sausage and ground beef meatballs. Ingredients for spicy sausage and ground beef meatballs. 2 IBs sausage. 1 IB ground beef. 3 eggs. 2 tablespoons minced onion. 1/2 IB shredded cheddar cheese. Black pepper to taste. This recipe makes approximately 50 meatballs, so you'll want to make it in advance and freeze the remainder to use later for quick meals and snacks. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Roll into 1-1/2 balls and place on cookie sheet. Bake 20 to 25 minutes. Yields approximately 50 servings total net carbs, less than 1 gram per serving. In dinner. Southwestern skillet. Ingredients for southwestern skillet. 2 tablespoons sliced almonds. 1 yellow sweet pepper, cut into bite-sized strips. 1 fresh jalapeno, seeded and chopped. 1 tablespoon olive oil or cooking oil. 4 medium tomatoes, peeled and chopped. 1 to 1-1/2 teaspoons chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 4 eggs. 1 medium ripe avocado, seeded and peeled, optional. Toast almonds over medium-high heat 4 to 5 minutes in a large skillet and set aside. Return skillet to heat and add cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add sweet pepper and jalapeno and cook until tender. Stir in chili powder, cumin, tomatoes and salt. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Break 1 egg into a measuring cup and carefully slide it into the tomato mixture. Repeat for each remaining egg. Cover and allow eggs to cook for approximately 5 minutes or until whites are set. Spoon egg and tomato mixture to a serving plate and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Add toasted almonds and garnish with avocado slices. Yields 4 servings total net carbs, 8 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 12 based on a single serving per meal, about 14.3 grams. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.